the BMW Z4. What I like to call BMW's Miata. A truly remarkable, stylish, beautiful car. One that people will gawk at going down the street and will always attain its beauty. A car that never, ever, ever will look like shit. She's beautiful, isn't she?
I don't mind the sun sometimes, the images it shows. I can taste you on my lips and smell you in my clothes.
Now before we start, I gotta explain a few things. This car is not mine. It's my friend's sister's boyfriend. The car has been sitting on their property for a good couple years, and I was interested in it because I liked the way it looked. I talked to my friend's brother-in-law about it, and he said there were a few things wrong with it. The two things he said he found that was wrong with it was an oil leak, either coming from the oil pan or transmission. Now, I'm by no means a mechanic or even a professional by any standard. I'm very, very new to working on cars. Luckily, my friend knows more because his grandpa's a mechanic, so he'll help me most of the way. I'm not gonna talk your ear off. Enjoy the video.
But here's where we're at with the BMW right now. So, see this, the little engine mount, and it's connected to the part we have to take out to get to the oil pan gasket. And we almost dropped it on our heads. When was it? Like Monday? Almost died because we almost dropped this bad boy on our heads Monday. It was really fun.
Such a bad boy.
So what we realized we got to do, we got to buy an engine support and hook it up right here.
Getting kind of steamy right there, huh?
Also, we found this gem. Hold on, I gotta show you guys something. So you see how this steering arm, right, is intact. It's beautiful. No. What I was gonna show you at first was how like this one was so good and intact, but it's not anymore. Cause this one is just fucked. It's just royally fucked. There's supposed to be grease in here. You see the raw nut. Yeah, so we got to replace the oil pan gasket. You see it's leaking right here. It's leaking at the seam. We also got to replace the whole, well, yeah, just buy a new steering arm. Or, yeah, fuck it, steering axle, steering arm, whatever it's called. Oh yeah, also, there's some shit with emissions that shuts the engine off past 4,000 RPM, which I have no idea what that's about. But if you guys know anything, please tell me, please, because I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, if I'm being honest. All right, now, we gotta go to Harbor Freight. Yeah, this is gonna be a peak fucking video. We got this. We just got to Harbor Freight. Now let's go get this hoist. Fucking smash my finger. Shit's shit's crazy. Perfect. Fuck me. Main reason we're not getting the support bar yet is because we found, where is it? The oil leak. I don't know if you guys can see that. So what we're gonna do is
You've been a naughty engine.
we're gonna take out this plastic cover just to see what the oil leak's about, because if it's anything serious, don't tell that guy. I'm not gonna work on the car anymore. Boo! Come out easy. These are not that tight on here. He's off to get a smaller piece for this because we don't have a ratchet that fits that piece, so he's gonna get a smaller one. Oh, there we go. There we go. They're shooting. Bro, that's average size.
This is bigger than mine.
Andres, I'm so sorry.
After taking way longer than I would like to admit, of taking out all those screws, we finally got to the point of taking out the spark plug. So enjoy some spark plug ASMR.
Oh, it's not erotic. Oh. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, perfect. There we go. There's a little clip. All right, we finally got.
Boom.
We finally made progress.
Shakalaka. Shine bright like a diamond. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Grab. Go in there and like pull it.
Oh, I can. Oh, we are the worst fucking mechanics ever. I swear I took that off. Yeah, we are professional. All right, so it kind of the GoPro died right before we took off the valve cover.
The grand reveal.
But this is what it looks like. We're gonna clean everything with what's it called? Brake cleaner, or just like clean it up a little bit. What was leaking? What was bad was this little rubber part, a little seal. That's what was bad. And
Issue to oil.
yeah, that's all the that's where the leak came from. That's where it was leaking. We'll come back when we get this, or when we get the what's it called? The oil pan gasket. Whichever one we get first is what we'll come back and repair this car to. But repair the car to? Yeah, I fucking suck at English. But yeah, so I will see you guys, I would say tomorrow, but that ain't gonna happen that fast. All right, so Anders just left, so I'm by myself now. First time working on this car by myself. And what he told me to do, okay, this is the new gasket, new little thingamajiggies. So what he told me to do was to clean all this area, dry first just with a rag, dry rag, clean all the oil off this, clean everything off like the edge. Then he told me to get like some brake cleaner on a rag and then clean everything off. Also, there's gonna be no silicone being put on the new seal because I went to go buy some and I'm too young. I'm too young to buy any gasket sealer, so this is gonna be raw. Let's clean this bad boy. Get a little, it's like the cleanest part on this rag. Get a little. So now that I got all this clean, I need to buy some more brake cleaner because this bad boy needs to be cleaned. This entire thing needs to be cleaned. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and oh yeah, these things are stuck in there. Goddamn. Yeah, but I'm gonna go to AutoZone and get some more brake cleaner, and I'll be right back. I just bought a couple cans of brake cleaner, but first, before I brake cleaner the fuck out of this valve cover, I gotta get these little things off. So let me break this off. All right, got that off. Now can I just pull it? All right, yeah. All right. Well now it's time to brake cleaner the fuck out of this valve cover. So I just cleaned off the valve cover. I hope that's a good color because I don't know if that's good or bad. Now let's put this seal on. pretty sure. Oh, I need to get that off. I almost forgot. Hold on.
So off camera, my friend's brother-in-law bought me some gasket sealer, which was super nice of him. I was talking about it, and he said he was down to go buy me it. So now that I have it, as long as I don't fuck up too bad, it should be fine. Fuck.
All right, so just put it on. So I don't know if that's correct or not. I'm kind of stressing a little bit, but it's fine. Now they said to hand tighten all the bolts. I really hope I did this right. All right, I just put the cover back on. So now we just wait till about an hour for it to dry, and then I can actually retighten everything. So it's been about an hour since I put the valve cover on, and it said it takes about an hour to like solidify until you can retighten them. So I waited an hour, and now I can, you know, start tightening them all. And I have the little chart right here tell me what I need to tighten in the order I need to tighten it. So yeah, let's get to tightening, I guess.
So after I recorded this, I forgot to record me putting the ignition coils back in, and all the footage I have of it is just these sick B-roll shots. So enjoy those.
All right, I don't think I got it on camera, but I re-put all the ignition coils back in. This one's a little iffy. I think the spark plug might be bad on this one, or I need to like tighten the spark plug, but besides that, everything is good. I don't know where these wires hook up, I'm gonna be honest. Right now I'm gonna put it on the sway bar. I'm not gonna put on the cover yet because I still need to figure out where these hook in, because I know they don't just jangle around, that'd be dumb. I'm gonna attach this, and then I think I'll be done for the day. Yeah, I have no idea where those things clip in, but pretty sure that's it for me today. So I guess the next time you'll see me working on this car is when it's up and running, hopefully, and doesn't blow up. See you guys the next time I work on the car. Yeah, we're not gonna finish this car.
Gotta get it, homie, gotta move it. If you gon' do it, then hook on no to get. Yeah, everybody just talk, nobody really.